What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Maj. Today we're gonna be making some jerk shrimp and veggies for y'all today. This recipe is real simple, real quick and easy. Not a lot to talk about with this one, so make sure y'all stay tuned throughout. Let's just go ahead and jump right into the video. Alright, so this is everything you're gonna need. Like I said, real simple, not a lot of ingredients. I got 2 pounds of shrimp right here. This is large shrimp. You might want to use either large shrimp or extra large shrimp, whatever you prefer. Usually you might see this recipe made with shrimp and like sausage, but I chose to omit the sausage and just double up on the shrimp. That's why I got about 2 pounds here. And then you have your squash and zucchini and bell peppers for your vegetables. And then, like I said, not a lot of ingredients, man, just some olive oil and then the seasoning of your choice. Like I said, we're making a jerk style rather than Cajun style, so I'm going to be using this Veggies jerk seasoning. All right, so first thing you're going to want to do is just first kind of cheat a bit and start seasoning your shrimp with the jerk seasoning, and then kind of just let it sit off to the side and kind of get like a pre-marinade while you cut up the rest of your vegetables. Alright, so right here we just adding in the seasonings for our vegetables. Add your jerk seasoning and olive oil in there and give it a good mixing. And then get ready to start heating up your pan. Turn it to about medium to high heat. And then go ahead and add your olive oil in there. And go ahead and add the rest of the ingredients in there and give them a quick mixing. Make sure everything's, spread out and getting cooked. This usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. It's real quick. So, you want to keep a close eye on it. You don't want your shrimp to overcook or become too rubbery. So just make sure, you're watching it and stirring it every now and then, checking up on it. Alright, so there you have it. It's nice and done. The shrimp's not overcooked. The veggies are just right. That juice at the bottom, that's all good too. You can go ahead, take that and like drizzle it over the rice, give the rice some flavor. But this could also be served with some grits or some cheese grits. That's always a great combination to go together with this. But as always, man, I appreciate y'all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below some more recipes you might want to see from me. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell to stay up to date whenever I post new content. But yeah, man, that's it, man. Real quick and easy shrimp and veggie skillet dish. Nothing gets better than that right there.